as a nation, we've never failed to succeed. Not a joke. Never failed
Joe,
to
we're over
succeed.
here.
Nothing's beyond our capacity when we do it together. So let's unite this country. Let's do it together. Let's make sure that those who want to stay on the farm can stay as long as they want because they make a good, decent living.
Let's stay on the
God
farm.
bless you all, and may God protect our troops. Thank you, thank you.
All right, guys. Stage left. No, stage right. Anyways, I always get a good laugh out of Joe. He was pumping the farmers. Anyways, all right, guys, we had a great day today. If, as Doug pointed out and me too, we're looking for a pump early, kill the cons, and then we obviously caught this. I was out trick-or-treating, I had so many kids. There's so many people who've, been divorced, so super dad has to take out all the kids and the moms, if you know what I mean. But my kids had a great time. As did my wife. It was awesome. All right, on to the market. So the market did what, we said it would do. And I just want to point that out. And also, look at this here. Posted this hourly wage, and obviously we broke that pre-market on Monday, and we've been chugging up ever since. So that's why I've been in the swing mode of things until you get a measured move. This is a measured move, could still go to the top of the weekly range. Okay. But what a chugger. This was already is a legendary play. Me and Jaybird jumped on right there, catching some knives, being degenerate, and then just holding. Now, those contracts, yes, did I take some off? Sure. Sure did, but they closed at 475. They actually went to 510 today. And now Nvidia is up $3 after hours. On Qualcomm earnings went even higher, but it should go there tomorrow. And I'm obviously in the 420s. So that was a nice play. Amazon, I had two different on, and we'll get to Amazon. I'm in the Roku 70s, as you know. Absolutely killed that. Why did I play it? Based on the contracts and based upon the levels. Okay? You have a MA cross right there, and that's where it went to, as you can see, post boom right there. I mean, some Shopify for tomorrow. Meta, what a move with Nvidia. Same chart. See that? So when you spot two big guys, or in this case three, doing that, it's a pumpy day. And more so on individuals. Although QQQ did end with a trend day, and SPY did not. Okay? I sold my QQQ somewhere here. That was a scalp though. I did, but you can't get them all. I sold my Apple 172s and 175s yesterday because the contracts weren't moving on this whole chug here, and today delivered. Qualcomm, epic earnings. PayPal, also here if you see, it's not updated. It was alright. Got the spike. Nothing. I was just in a way out the money lotto. And Google obviously took profit on that as well today. I'm still in SPY 424s because that's up there. That's the full measured move, and also the top of the range for the week. And obviously grabbed those yesterday here. All right. So far 3 days in the bag. Been pretty awesome. Like if you look at the 21, it's just a couple times that's been outside of the real trading hours that we've gone below. it's respecting that. Now it's overextended, and again, I yapped about this. Don't short until you get confirmation under this level. I mean, sure, you can front run that stuff, but that's the FOMC announcement price, and usually we either trade above or below for an extended period of time. So let's see. Also took 45% on Tesla here. Boom. So again, I'm scalping, but I'm also swinging. All right. This Roku trade is looking to be pretty awesome, actually. So yeah, that was my day. I didn't want to do much before FOMC, hence me not being on, but I'll be on tomorrow. I do want to point out that oil is drilling and tech is loving it. As I said, anytime oil falls below 83, tech loves it, as you can see. This is, you know, a lot of people, that's what I keep saying, the oil game has changed. To what has it changed? I mean, we're in new territory here. We have a lot of countries are going to be moving away from the petrodollar. It's no mistake that there's conflict, okay? That clearly is not pumping the price. You couple that with people just being broke because of this inflation, lower demand, okay? Bitcoin, loving Powell. Got to keep Coinbase and Riot and Mara on watch. Should have added Coinbase though. It's pumping after hours. It's still only at 80 or at 78. But yeah, let me post in the chat here. Now the VIX. Never reached that level, has just been slapping down. I'm also watching carry. Obviously I sold. I just wanted to reduce my things. What was the point? The point was I got so many green trades. Personally, I kind of still believe in Nvidia, but I also have to cover myself. We got jobs in the morning. We are 3 days green as fondue can be. So I'm feeling good. It's all good. Very instinctual trading this week. 10-year yield is finally getting its slap job that it's been needing. And look at that. Look at that. Did you think when we're up there we'd see the trend line anytime soon? I'm just letting you know that if we go underneath this trend line here, that I am going to have to extend. It's party time for the market. Okay? Powell came out. He had hair mousse. He had a, you know, freaking silver cobalt tie, no glasses, looking fresh, looking like he knows what the fuck he's doing. Not like the tired though, the grumpy Powell we've seen as of late. Market loved it. He said nothing new. Now all we need for a bigger rally, and what do I mean by that? I mean a rally that kills this reject here, something that can get over the 89, can get over this trend line, can get over this dark blue level, can get over the 200. I mean, now we're getting into resistance. So again, guys, I've been writing this whole ride up, and you know, I get that after this whole ride down, people are like, I don't know, I need confirmation. You're probably not gonna get it. Okay, I always thought that this zone here was too strong to go through, and now we've had this rebound, but now we're coming in up on, not only have we completed the measured move, we got this whole cluster here, we got the 89, we got one trend line, we got the DP levels, we got the 200, and we got the mother of all trend lines. You could even argue maybe we could do a little bit of an inverted head and shoulders and go. But again, we've measured out the range here for the week from here to here, and we're coming up on it. Can it go through? Yeah, it can. Okay, remember, tomorrow. What's happening tomorrow? enough said. Okay, gonna get pretty wild. Whew. All right. Remember, let's let both of you look. Remember when I pointed out these huge premiums that came in on Nvidia? Okay? Those are big bets to the upside. So again, you can always ask for these on any ticker from me. And here's the market net flow. Looking pretty good. Okay. And we've extensively been all over the dark pools, but let's put them in here because I know that they work and people like them, and I like them. And there's a reason I kept yapping about that Apple dark pool. Earnings tomorrow though, guys. So again, keep that in mind. But as you see here, you got mad flow. See that ghost candle down? I don't know if that filled on that dip on Nvidia. It is possible. But as you can see, there's a very tricky rotational setup. I've been saying it over and over again that they're pumping with flow, and probably the stuff that doesn't have dark pool underneath, like Nvidia, means it's gonna go back down, and earnings is, you know, right around the corner. We will follow it unless you start getting massive buys. But then you got Apple. There's actual buying. The Apple 15-minute dark pool is a very big indicator. Now on the daily, you obviously also have massive flow right now. So I'm probably gonna take profit tomorrow on Nvidia early on, but I figured Qualcomm would be a-okay, especially after that AMD counter reaction. So as of right now, these are the dark pools short term. That's the long term. Pretty, there's buying coming in, but again, Apple is, when I look at the 15-minute, I look at this here because it hasn't failed yet. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be on for open and close tomorrow again, and let's see. I'm not trying to go overly cautious tomorrow, but there's big events, and I want to stay green all week. All right, God bless. Oh, before I go, let's look at this guy. Yeah. Okay, bye. That's a nice RSI bounce from over there. Look, once we get this cross, if this doesn't reject, guys, we're gonna keep going and we're gonna go straight to this trend line. So that is also a possibility. Okay, see you later.